Well, hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll just be make video on skincare ingredients, and products, and beauties and fashion. And I'm just not be a skin specialist and dermatologist, but overall I'll just be a experience, and I'm just be know skincare system, science, and experiment, and be which product will be suited to your skin type. So today I'm just be talking about aspirin tablet. So what is the benefit of a aspirin tablet? So and a lot of people will be asking what is the benefit of a aspirin tablet. So aspirin will be remove suntan from our face. Aspirin will be reduce dark circle. Aspirin will be remove fine line and wrinkle. uh, my brother will be here, so that's be just a little boy, so forget about this. So and aspirin tablet will be reduce or hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and it will be work on acne. So basically I'm just be telling all of this answer in this video. So what purpose will be aspirin tablet use? So basically aspirin will be formulation of aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid, beta hydroxy acid. Salicylic acid and beta hydroxide, that's the same, but the names will be different, but the composition and a structure will be same. So what is the benefit of salicylic acid? So aspirin will be contain aspirin will be benefit of this one, it will be exfoliate your dead skin cells, it will be reduce your fine lines, wrinkle, and it will be also reduce your open pores. So it will be reduce your oil production. So aspirin will be contain acetyl salicylic acid, so that's the benefit. So presence of salicylic acid, so that's why aspirin trend will be too much famous for skin. So that's why a lot of people will be crush 4 to 5 tablets and then apply and mix in yogurt and lemon and then apply on face and left this mask for maximum 20 minute 25 minute and then wash it off. So the benefit of this mask, it will be reduce your fine line wrinkle and be exfoliate dead skin cells. It will be such a nice mask for oily skin type and combination skin, but overall all skin type will be used. So how to make mask? You will be taken 2 to 3 tablespoon of a yogurt and 1 to maximum 2 tablespoon of a lemon juice, and then you will be adding 4 to 5 aspirin tablet. You will be crushed, and then you will be easily dissolved in this mixture, and then you will be adding 1 tablespoon of a honey. So a lemon will be a bleaching effect. So yogurt will be contain lactic acid, it will be gently remove your dead skin cell, and aspirin acetyl salicylic you will be already know about. I'm just be telling you in this video. So as we work on fine line, wrinkle, open pore, oil production, dark circle, it will be remove your suntan, hyperpigmentation, so control oil. You know what, a lot of a benefit of this tablet and formulation acetyl salicylic acid, they will be present, and we um, you will be apply this mask on every skin type, and be back to topic. So lemon will be a bleaching effect, and yogurt will be remove your dead skin cell very gently, and it will be make your skin so soft. And honey will be contain a lot of multivitamin and minerals and active enzymes. So it will be antioxidant, antibacterial, antifungal. So it will be remove bacteria, viruses, and it will be solve your a lot of skincare problem. And the aspirin tablet you will be already know about. So you will be all of this, you will be do this maximum every day, once a day, and you will be shocked to see result. Your skin will be looking so amazing and young and flawless like me. So my skin will be looking so smoother. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my news. Okay.